All right, so Christine just sent us her ping pong table, and we're getting it right now. So we're going to use one of these things. We're going to bring her in. All right, here we go. Come on here. You guys know how to put it together?
No.
Together a ping pong table today, and here's the directions. So what I've got to do is I've got to get these little feet on both sides. Once I do that, I can lay the table down and I can roll it into position. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do one side at a time, and the first thing I got to do is I got to unlock this side. So that pops it open. Now I'm going to pull up on these babies right here, and then this is going to lock in there. I'm going to lock that in there. Now over here is where I'm going to attach the rollers on both sides. Once I've done that, then I can flip the table over and do the other side. So now this is pretty much locked into place. I'm ready to go. Over here I have my pieces. Here's one roller, and the way it works is I've got to put this on here, and then I'm going to put it on there. It's not too hard. I've got 2 wrenches to use, and it should be pretty easy. All right, so when we put it together, we're going to put washers on both sides. There's going to be a clamp on both sides. So first we'll do this side, then we'll do that side. All right, here we go. So I need a washer. Put it through like that. Then I'm going to slide this through here, just like that. Then I'm going to take this one here, put it through there like that. And I got to put it through here, and it's going to go over on the side. So let's leave that there for a second. Okay, so here we are. I've got to put this on here, and then I'm going to slide this through like that. So now it's set on both sides, like that. I'm going to hold it, and I've got to grab this other side, and I'm going to slide these two through it. Bam, done. Like that. Now it's kind of setting there. Now all I have to do is I'm going to put a washer on either side. Then I'm going to come in, and I'm going to just put these right on there. We had one fall off here, but we'll grab it, put it there, and we're just going to put it on there. All right, so that's all there is to it. I mean, it ain't that complicated. Now we got to get our wrenches. So here we are. Going to tighten it up. Tighten her up. As you can see, pretty simple process. Got one for this side here, and one here. And I'm just going to get it nice and snug. That's going to tighten her up. Get over here, snug it up. Nice and tight. One more time here. And that's it. Now, feel it, see how it looks. So as you can see, now we've got our wheels on there. This is it. Now we got to do it for 4 times. We got to do this 4 times. So I don't know if I'm going to bore you with all 4 times, but all right. So hopefully you can see it all. So we take this. I'm going to put her on here. I'm going to take the washer, put it on here, slide it through all the way. It's going to come out the other side. There, right? And I'm going to do the same thing over here. So I'm going to slide this here like that. I'm going to hold it. I'm going to get my washer on here. Putting the washer on. Then I got to find the hole. And I slide that through. Then I'm going to push on both sides here so it stays straight. And I'm going to grab this one here and I'm going to push it on top. And then I'm going to hold it. All right. Then I got to get the washer on this side. You can see it. Washer here. Then we're going to put our little nuts on. Once we get the nuts on, then we're stabilized. There we go. All right, now I'm going to tighten her down. Grab my thing. This one goes on the back one. Get on there. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. And here we go. Oops. You want to get it tight. Don't want it coming off. And there we go. Alright. Okay. I don't know if you can see it. Try over here. Got her here. And I'm twisting her. Getting tight. There's a view from the top. There it is. So you want to make sure that they're nice and tight. Okay. Let's take a look and see what we got here. All right, so we got one side done. Now I can lean it this way and do the other side. I'm going to turn the camera off for a second. All right, now what you're going to see is this is just one side. So I'm going to tilt it all the way up and just set it down. So it should just come right up. Here we go. Whoops. There we go. And now I'm just going to set it right there. Now I can wheel this. So now I can wheel it out of there, which I think I'm going to do. So I'm going to fold the table back. All right, and so what I'm doing, I'm just going to kind of, first of all, I'm going to bust this down. And then I'm just going to lift it and just walk it. Look how easy this thing is to do. You're going to go this way. And so now, there's half our table already constructed. Very simple. So now I've got to come back over here and I'm going to push the table. I got to switch this thing around so that I can work on the other side. So I'm going to try to turn it without smashing it. Should be lighter now. I'm just going to pull it around right here. Bring it back. And set it down back here this way. Okay. And we want it more straighter. There we go. Now it should be good. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I got to unlatch this, and then this will just fall forward like that, and then we're going to lock these. Lock this one. And now I've just got to put my, you got to put them on here. So it's just like backwards. Right here we're going to put it. Got to connect it. We're just going to do the exact same thing that we did. Give you a bigger shot from it over here as I do it. So, first things first, we're going to roll this down. Oh, sorry. And then we're just going to pop it this way. And voila. And then, I'm just going to roll it over. Chicken cha-ling-a-ding-a-ling-a-ding-ding. That's it. All right, we're looking pretty good. Hold it back. Get it out of the way. Now we got to get it set in the right spot so it fits good. And I'm not sure. I think that piece may go underneath it. So we're going to take a look at the constructions and see what it says. So we need to come over here. We want to be right about there. But bring this one over. That seems to be pretty good. Woo! All right. Okay, this looks pretty simple. I mean, look, that's it right there. I'm imagining we just go like that, and that sets that on there. Now, I'm not sure how this connects, but I think this is the only way that it connects. All right. That seems to be the way we do it. Get a shot this way. So then these, apparently, they just slide down in there, like this. Now I don't know, I have no idea what that is. But this is going to probably be what holds it together. Can I slide that in there? All right, oh, here we go. Then we pull this down there. Twist these. Tightens it down, I guess. Something like that. Bring this over here. And this I'm just going to tighten this baby down. I'm thinking that's it. Ta-da! All right, so it looks like we got her set up. I mean, brand new. Now, I guess you can lock the spots by going like that, and this will keep it from moving. And I'll just do that. This one here is kind of like, got to come out here. So press that down like that. And that locks it out. And I do believe that we are looking good. Pop. Pop. You can step on these. But this is locked out good. Good. Everything looks pretty sturdy. Last two locks. That one. Pull this one out, lock it. Right now it won't move. It's tight. Ready to play some ping pong. Woohoo! Here we go. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos on doing stuff that I don't have any idea what I'm doing. Thanks. See you next video. Bye.